What's good, everybody? Michael Alder here from CarpetTools.com, covering some carpet Q&A that came in. This is actually a good question here, and it's where can I recycle carpet padding? So there's a couple different ways to go about this. Now, if you're just looking to be, a good Samaritan and you want to recycle it so it's not filling up the landfills like you would recycle newspaper, plastic bottles, things like that, you're not looking to get any monetization from it, I would just do a Google search in your local area where to recycle carpet padding in your city, and I'm sure you'll pop up a list of places you could drop this off at. That's great. Now, if you're looking to get some sort of compensation for it, look for carpet tool distributors. Now, a lot of these people do recycle padding, and what they do, as far as making money on it, you can't make a killing unless you're handling apartment complexes and remodeling the whole thing. You have a tremendous amount coming in. You'll see some money from that. But if you're just looking to offset your time, get a little bit in compensation for it, carpet tool distributors actually will buy it, and they'll give you an in-store credit, which you could exchange for, razor blades, tack strip, or if you're really not in the carpet industry, you could trade it for other tools, nail guns, staple guns, hammers, razor blades, knives, hook knives, all those sorts of things. So if you're looking for compensation, do a search of carpet tool distributors in your area, reach out to them, let them know you have a ton of carpet padding, you'd like to see if they recycle it for you and what their compensation is for it, how much they're paying per pound or how much credits they give per pound, so that way it's worth your time. Or if you're just looking to be a good Samaritan, go ahead and do a quick search of recycled carpet padding in your city, and you can go ahead and drop it off at those areas. For more tips and tricks about the carpet business, be sure to subscribe. If you have any other questions about this industry, go ahead and comment below. I'll create a video just for you, and I look forward to catching you on the next video.